Alright guys, what's up guys? Good morning, guys. Guys, right now guys, we have a snowstorm right now guys in New York. It's crazy guy right now. It's crazy right now. So I'm gonna make on the swag one guys, you see me? I'm gonna make on the swag one. So I'm gonna take on the outside, make on the swag one and snowstorm guys. So just watch the video, like the video, share the video guys. Guys, man, I tell you it's cold. Right now I have on 5 shirts. I have a 5 shirt and 2 pullover guys. I feel like I'm not just warm enough still. But watch where I go on. Guys, look at that. It's crazy. And it's gonna get worse, you know? It's gonna get worse, guys, trust me. Take a look at my car. Yo. See no storm right now, you know, guys. It's no joke out here right now. It's no joke, guys. No joke. See? Alright, guys. See more pretty, right, guys? It's no joke. You see all them places, guys? Right now, the snow is high right now. I tell you so. It's not a joke thing. Yeah. Alright, car cover. See? Look at it. So guys, see? I'm gonna make a scrape on my can, man, guys. So easy. So easy to come off. So easy to come off, guys. Yeah. What is it, true? We're not gonna right now. It's kinda nice, easy to clean off right now. But you know when it's hard, like later on it's gonna be more harder, guys. Yo, this my taste is high because yo, this all the thing now. Me other snow scraper me have in the next car. This one now. I don't know why I never take out the other one out of the other car, because right now this one a shot. Probably have to get a broom. Whoa, yo, what a freeze, man. See? It's clean easy. But I have to get the bigger cleaner I'm having in the next car. Whoa. Guys, I'm telling you, no joke. No joke. Woo! Yeah. Let me grow up, look on my face. Yo! I tell you, see no storm. Guys, there are people who are walking around there shoveling, you know, guys, and I get to work, you know. Clean out driveway and them thing there. You see me? Whoa. Whoa, guys, they are freeze. I reach back inside right now. Woo. Woo. Yo. Come on. Nah, man. Whew. Whew. Guys, tell you, I run there already inside. What are guys? Guys, come on. Come here and get red, guys, man. Tell you. Guys, watch out. Be ice. Guys, man, I tell you something. Go up on my jacket. Go on my jacket. Okay? Guys, man, I tell you, say, place a freeze. Yo, in a now, guys. Yo. Guy right now, man, like, it is similar kin, now go out the door properly. Probably till about Tuesday. Probably Tuesday before I go outside. You know, like guys right now that will cut, yo. Yo. Come here and I'm ready. Look at that. I'm thinking them guys. Yo, that's crazy, man. Guys, it's not easy. I'm show you guys all this serious. And right now, you still have you have people outside right now walking them shovel and look work. That will show you things serious, guys. Like no matter how cold people still have you out there. I also see them way. And look when I go there, guys. See now, I almost cover my shoes. So that will show you how serious see now be outside right now. And people outside walk around them shovel, I look work, ready to do. Like them do. People drive where if they walk around a car for clean or they clean around a car. You understand what I say? You know, easy guys. You know? That's what I tell them on. They say, yo, this place, when you work hard for your money, when you come in the country and work hard for your money, do something good with the money. Do something good with it. Where you can't see it because, man, I tell you, you know, easy. For people who have to catch a bus, train, or who have to come outside and stand up and wait on a cab, you know, easy. Because I'm tell you something, if you call the cab, you know, you have to make sure you come outside and stand up and wait on the cab because you don't want the cab come and drive and left you. And you have to make sure you reach our bus station on time because you know, bus now wait for you. And like Jamaica, you can run one bus and say, yo, wait for me now. If the bus had to come 8:05, the bus will come 8:05 and you have to make sure you're there on time. You see me? So, guys, you think crazy, you see me? So, I can tell people, man, anyway, live in the area and come to them place, so see no fall of them things, and I have to work, you know, you see me? Best time of the summer, sun not seeing we wicked, but see no terrible. Because right now, I tell you guys, we need some meat right now. Yeah. But we still want everybody to come and experience it still. You understand what I say? We still want everybody get a chance to come and experience it. You see me? Because that me say, now I stop saying that. Everybody come experience foreign life. You see me? Yeah. The feel say everybody come experience it. That's what it's like. Because right now outside, pretty right now, guys, but wow, it's cold. You understand what I say? If you are like people who will never see no fall, trust me. You come and you experience it. By looking at it on the TV or whatever, when like stand up and you look, you see the fall, it's different. You know? I go back outside now, guys. I bring the camera out there. I'm going to show how I go on for a bit. A jacket there, guys. Good jacket, man. I tell you. Wow. See? well stuff, you know, guys. Warm jacket, but you know. Look at this. See? Ice this, you know, guys. Be ice that, you know. Be ice that. Yeah. Alright, so I talk about, I make it so I talk about, guys. Guys, I make it so a taxi. It's a yellow cab that right there, see? Somebody come out a taxi right now. In a easy them time, guys. People have to come from work, seeing where people do everything see at a cab. Work people have come from seeing, guys. Let me just show you. Everything serious, no joke. It's cool, right? So everyone, take one. So guys, yeah. It's cool, guys. It's cool, it's cool. It's cool, guys. Yeah, so I'm going to try to show you guys, say, you know, easy, isn't it? You don't know, see no far now, you have to come a bus stop and stand up like this, guys. Where a big I step on the ground. You know, easy, so I say. And sometimes seeing where money call and beg you $50 a time, so yo, John, you know, so I need to stay in a way. And a man, next seeing where. Look, you know, and this is not coming like today in a freezer, like when you see them put a piece of meat in a freezer. I said, go on there, freezer, go and go freeze. So this is like the freezer right now, guys. Me I tell you. Yes. You see me? That's how it feels, guys. That's how it feels. Yeah, man, look. See? I'm drinking a beer, guys. See? Thing crazy, guys. Thing crazy, you know? What you have to do, not true. Yeah, man. And them say this not stop till tomorrow, guys. So right now, you know, so this is a cinema, guys, that fall all day. All day. Woo! So I'm running back, you know, guys. So when I just see me start get frozen, like, we can start get cold, I'm so I'm running, you know. Yeah. You see what time now? So guys, now I just 8:30 in the morning, guys. Now I just 8:30 in the morning and it's snow. The snow so heavy already, guys. So we're gonna say for the rest of the day, it's gonna be crazy. You know, it's gonna be a crazy one. So you see, all of me other guys. Do you think I go watch him? I'm gonna put the pot on it. I'm gonna start cook, guys. And that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna start cook. Yeah, man, I'm gonna start cook, guys, because we just come outside to make this, to make on the sour go on in the morning. You see me? Guys, that's my jacket full of snow. Yeah, man, that's what I do. Come outside to make on the sour go on. Yeah, because it's frozen right now, so I just that go on. So guys, I just want to like, share, comment, subscribe, tell a friend, you see me? Share the video, guys, you see me? Yeah, man, share up the video, guys, man. Tell us, it not easy. You see what I say? It don't easy. Just do the right thing. Do the right thing. Share up the video. Just do the right things, guys, you know? Just do the right thing. 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 I know, guys. crazy snowstorm in New York right now, guys. Man, I tell you, it's easy, guys. Got this snow. Look how deep is the snow, guys. Got that? See that? See that? How deep is the snow? It's no joke. No joke, guys. No joke. No joke. Freezing. Freezing right now, guys. Freezing. So, big up to the people them out there. I can still put on them clothes. I don't to big up to all. Yeah. Guys, look, see? Yeah, I'm clean the street. That's the truck right there. I'm gonna sprinkle salt. I'm gonna sprinkle salt and I'm gonna clean the street at the same time, guys. That's the truck right there. Sprinkle salt. Scrape the street at the same time. Guys, if you don't do that, trust me, they're in serious trouble. So that's something they want to do. You understand? Next thing to guys, now I want the toughest time if you move a car if you find parking. Now I want the toughest time for that. You know, I'm just making a so I go on people. You know? Yeah. Guys, just look how this is not deep, guys. Look at the footprint. See that? That's no joke. Guys, I have to run from outside, guys. Look, I look at my clothes. Guys, it's gonna be a short video, guys, but as I say, please comment, subscribe, share, and like it. See me? Let's go ahead, guys, and tell a friend, check out the channel, guys. That's it. Yeah, man, guys, right now, you know, I get no better outside, guys. I rush to get right now. Right now, they are talking, me see, that below side way. So, right now, guys, just go ahead and do the right thing. We go back in and eat right now. Yeah. So guys, we're gonna end the video right here, guys. So guys, just stay tuned and watch y'all go on. If later I can make a video in the evening, I'm gonna drop on the evening or tomorrow. I'm gonna see what I go on, guys. So let's go on, do the right thing. You see me? Do the right thing, guys. Peace.